Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP system review video, I'd like to share with you the OLSP Megalink. This is a product without any monthly membership costs and one where you can earn unlimited lifetime commissions with the full support and training and done-for-you follow-ups. So I'm inside the members area here, and a bit later on in the video I'm going to show you exactly the feature and the benefits and what you get with this system. So in the members area, what I like about it is it's laid out in some nice simple steps. So when you get your mega link, which is this one here in the top right hand corner, so you're just going to promote one link, and the owner, Wayne, who's an 8-figure earner, this is his system. It's a 2.0 new version of his system. He lays everything out nicely. So first of all, you've got 2 ways to succeed in this video here. That's a 10-minute video. Then he explains in the next video here, which is 4 minutes, what is the OLSP system. Then he talks about how to get your mega link and what to do with it. The next video is getting traffic. The next video is next steps. And then the next video, if you want to become a mega affiliate. So it's perfect for beginners, intermediate marketers, and also advanced marketers. This system caters to absolutely everybody in affiliate marketing. Let's have a look at the lead capture page. This is a done-for-you system. So this is a lead capture page. You'd have to create any lead capture pages. It's completely done for you. This will be a link in the description. If you put your email into there, it will take you to this page here. And this is where Wayne says here, unlock the one link that you need. And watch this video to see how you can piggyback on our 7-figure commission system. So this is Wayne. He's a gentleman from the Midlands in the United Kingdom. So I'm from United Kingdom as well. This video here lasts about 13-14 minutes. He's going to explain the benefits and features. And then further down here, you'll see the price. It's a one-time payment of just $7. And then we go into a lot more detail here. So if you are a beginner, it's really a great place to start your affiliate marketing journey. So this says here, the only system that requires no product, no website, no selling, or even any technical skills to start earning. Make daily commissions by sharing one link and let us do the rest. And the reason he's making these claims, several reasons which I'll come to shortly. So you can earn lifetime commissions. I'll just go through this page very briefly, but if you opt in, you can get more information on here. He's got over $2 million of proof that his system works. So Wayne's had this system out for about 5 years, but he's just upgraded to a 2.0 version, and he's completely revamped it and made some huge changes. There's a community, which I'll come to shortly, of 140,000 members in a Facebook group. You've got testimonies on there. Are you looking for a simple, proven way to earn an income online? So let's just come further down here. I want to show you some of the benefits here. So what's the secret? So first of all, it talks about the problems, which this is why 97% of people fail online, because of these problems here. They don't have the technical skills. They've got a fear of selling. They don't know how to warm the leads up. But what he does, he piggybacks on his done-for-you machine. So information overload. So when you're brand new, having to learn all of these skills here, it can be too much for a lot of people. They don't have the time, or they don't have the skills to be able to learn all the skills that you need to make money online. So he's broken it down into 3 simple steps. You buy your mega link, $7. You watched a quick start video, and then you share your mega link. Now, the training that he gives you, let's have a look down here, because the training here is absolutely superb. But what he does here, he follows up with your leads. So he has a follow-up system, and he also has live trainings and webinars, trainings in the group. So once somebody opts into your link, they are cookied for life. And this is the great thing about the system. He follows up with trainings, webinars, email follow-ups, quick start training here, and also done for you cellaring system. So OLSP follows up with your leads and nurtures them and makes sales for you. You don't have to worry about selling. It's all done for you, a done for you selling system. So it explains it a lot more in the video when you opt in. Weekly live trainings, coaching calls. He does absolutely everything you need to become successful in affiliate marketing. Facebook, organic Facebook training, Dominator Pro, and all there just for a one-time $7. So the Facebook group itself, 141,000 members, and this is where Wayne does a lot of his trainings. You'll see here, OLSP live training, the easiest way to ever earn commissions, even if you are brand new. So he caters for every single person, no matter what level you were at. And there's people in here showing proof of commissions, etc. So very, very interactive Facebook group, and you're going to get all the help, support, and training that you need. So I just want to make sure here that there's no income claims. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. We're not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. We've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System and also an affiliate as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video, please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP System, then please put those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email, or you'd like any help with anything. So this is the page here. If you go into the description, put your email into here, and then it will take you to this page here, and then you can watch this video. I recommend watching this video at the top here. Meet Wayne, and he'll tell you exactly what his system's all about, and then all the information on that page you can have a look at as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.